Hello. In this video, we'll be installing another tool that we'll be using to develop with the NX2, and this is Visual Studio Code. So again, go to Google and type Visual Studio Code. We can get in here and just hit download for Windows. We'll go ahead and start to download. Okay, it appears it is downloaded, so I'm going to go ahead and click the exe file that it downloaded. Okay, this should install. I'm going to go and speed up this video. Okay, the installation looks like it completed successfully. If your installation did not, please check with your IT, make sure everything was fully installed. If so, we can click Finish, and in the next video, we'll be extracting the SDK and opening that within Visual Studio Code. Thanks, and make sure to tune in.